At example D here, we're going to convert 45.3 centimeters to kilometers. Okay, so the easiest way I think to do this is to use the known conversion and go from centimeters to meters, and then from meters to kilometers. I think that's the easiest. But you always start with the number you're given, so we're going to write out the 45.3 centimeters. Use this unit to help you drive what you write on the bottom. So you put centimeters there. We can get from centimeters to meters really easily. That conversion is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. That means centimeters can cancel. Okay, and then from there we have 1 meter on the top, so we write meter on the bottom. And then we can get to kilometers again very easily. So 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Okay, those are just those prefixes, the King Henry prefix. So then your meters can cancel. You're left with kilometers, which is good. That's what you want. So you would take 45.3 and then divide it by, make sure you put these in parentheses and do this first. Like on your calculator, I would do 45.3 divided by parentheses 100 times 1,000. When you do that and calculate it, you should get about 4.53 times 10 to the negative fourth kilometers, which means that it's a decimal. Okay, so your calculator may also tell you 0.00045 kilometers. That's the same thing as this. Okay, so if you get that, that's good to go.